The derivative is a slope. Derivative is the slope, the rate of change. We define that with the following equation. The derivative of f of x equals the limit as h goes to 0, as h gets smaller and smaller, of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Now let's take an example. We're going to calculate a simple example. F of x equals x squared. Well, in this case, we have the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h, which is x plus h quantity squared minus x squared. F of x is just x squared, and that's divided by h. So let's expand that out, multiply that out, so we get the limit as h goes to 0 of x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x squared over h. So the x squareds cancel, x squared minus x squared, and we get the limit as h goes to 0 of 2xh plus h squared over h. Now, how do we simplify this? Well, there's an h in both top and the bottom, so we do the limit of, as h goes to 0, of h times 2x plus h over h. Now, remember that we can't divide by 0, but this is a limit. This gets smaller and smaller. This approaches 0. It never equals 0, so we can cancel the h's out, and we get the limit as h goes to 0 of, we see that these cancel, and we're left with 2x plus h. But h is going to 0. As it gets smaller and smaller, it becomes negligible, so this equals 2x. And indeed, the derivative of x squared is 2x.